Choosing the right integration platform for your business can be a tricky task. Do you require a big and extensive integration platform with lots of options? Or do you require something more small and quickly adjusted? The right choice can be tricky, but very important. Hi, my name is Teun Salters, integration expert here at McCoy Partners. In a previous video, my colleague Ali Seliker showed the power of SAP's integration suite. In today's video, we're going to dive deeper into the question why you should pick integration suite as your preferred integration platform, or why not. We will take 3 popular integration platforms and put them head to head in a battle to see which platform you should pick and why. Let's start with SAP's Cloud Integration Platform, or also known as Integration Suite. SAP designed Integration Suite to connect SAP software with third-party tooling or other SAP systems. It originally started out with SAP's PIPO, which was an on-premise tooling to connect to on-premise SAP systems. However, 20 years has passed and SAP created a follow-up, Integration Suite. It runs in the cloud on the BTP platform and is completely modernized to work with the latest technologies. What hasn't changed is its original purpose, to connect with SAP. Integration Suite stands out amongst its competitors in terms of its SAP-ness. It's the tool designed to connect, work and share data to and from SAP. Integration Suite has a wide range of pre-built packages which can connect to and from almost every SAP system. These packages are in simple terms pre-defined interfaces. They only have to be configured and deployed in order to be used, which saves massive amounts of time rather than building your interface manually. A competitor of SAP's Integration Suite is MuleSoft. MuleSoft has its Anypoint platform, where it houses interfaces and connects to other businesses worldwide. The Anypoint platform is built under the powerful Mule runtime engine, which can be configured however you prefer. Do you need a quick and small interface, perfect for sending little bits of data only a couple times a day? Or a big interface with heavy traffic, where you might want to have multiple threads running through just to manage the data load? That's the Mule runtime engine. MuleSoft stands out amongst its competitors in terms of its API-led approach. This is a strategic framework where it emphasizes the power of APIs and focuses on their agility and reusability. What does that mean? Well, it implies that instead of creating one interface which handles one process and one data entity, it splits this one process up into multiple reusable resources. Which means that one interface might call 3 other interfaces and 4 internal modules. It truly utilizes the power of APIs. Yes, it might complicate the building of interfaces drastically. That's true. However, if you're looking at a big and extensive integration tenant where you have plenty of interfaces doing complex work, this approach will lead to massive time gains later on in development. And it allows the management of these interfaces to become much easier. The last integration platform we're going to discuss is Dell's Boomi. Boomi was founded on the idea of configuration-based integration, to allow complex interfaces to work with just some configuration work. Boomi further focuses on this idea by their easy-to-use point-and-click user interface, which makes the creation of interfaces much easier. Years after the release of Boomi's first version, and this idea is still the bedrock of Boomi. Build interfaces in an easy-to-use tool in an easy-to-use way. Why make it complex when it doesn't have to be? To no one's surprise, this is the key strength where Boomi distincts itself from and its competitors. However, Boomi has more. Boomi focuses itself on middle to small businesses. Its interfaces are generally speaking faster than on most other integration platforms, and it's very cost efficient for smaller integration tenants. So, which of these integration platforms is best? Well, that's impossible to say. The real question of what integration platform you should choose depends on your business demands. Does your business require 10 interfaces which aren't too complex? Perhaps you should consider Boomi. Are you expecting a big workload and lots of complex interfaces with lots of requirements? Perhaps MuleSoft is the right fit. Maybe SAP is your connecting ERP system and most interfaces will be connecting with said SAP system. Look at Integration Suite and what benefits it offers for you. Did you enjoy learning about the different integration platforms? My colleague Ali made an in-depth video about SAP's Integration Suite, which you can find in the link below. Thank you for watching and see you next time.